what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So I'm here in the city of Tours in France for the third edition of the detailing show. It's a detailing focused show, you guessed it. So there's a bunch of vendors, a bunch of cool innovations that are going to be here this year. I'm very happy to be back. We have beautiful cars. We're just a few minutes before the show starts. They open the doors to the public. It's going to be absolute pandemonium, but it's so much fun. It's on a Saturday and Sunday. And of course, stay tuned through the entire show because I'm going to show you a bunch of different innovations, new products, and you're going to see what this feels and looks like. So let's go ahead and start the show. All right, guys, I'm here at the Turtle Wax booth, and there's a bunch of new innovations that are unveiled during the detailing show. And first of all, I'm with Christian, brand manager over at Turtle Wax. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
My pleasure to have you on the Pan TheOrganizer show. So I see here that we have a bunch of new innovations, and let's start off with a few exclusives for Europe that might eventually make it through to North America, but we'll see. So the Hybrid Solutions Fabric Surface Cleaner, what is this and what does it do?
Fabric surface cleaner, two real good uses. Really great on soft tops, so getting rid of those ingrained dirt, grime, all that really gungy stuff that kind of collects over time. Brings the colour back great, and also great for interior fabrics as well. Door linings, car seats, the mats. Great at getting out really ingrained dirt and grime, basically.
So then you can start with cleaning, and obviously, Pan TheOrganizer, we always recommend protecting the surfaces. And so a partner to that will be the fabric protector, again in the Hybrid Solutions line. So once you clean the surface, I guess you come and protect it, right?
Yes, after you've done all your prep work with the cleaner, it provides that really great hydrophobic effect.
So hence we see all these water beads there on the label.
Yeah, dead easy to apply. Spray, mist on, let it dry, apply another coat. You're great for protection for 3 to 6 months easily. And on the interior, it will prevent staining from spills, soft drinks, kids who have accidents and things, all that kind of things that happens inside the car really helps make your life easy, essentially.
And it has a bit of ceramic technology inside, I think, right?
So it has flex coat technology in, so it's got enough ceramic in to allow the fabric still to move, but give that protection that we're after.
Well, the next one, which I had seen unveiled at SEMA first, but now is also coming to Europe, I'm happy to see this, the Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer.
It's kind of what it says on the tin, really. It's a trim restorer, but with graphene and acrylic in.
Yeah.
So it gives super durability.
So if you have that like chalky white plastic appearance and you want to restore that,
this is going to bring it back to life. Super black, super glossy, super durability, just really, really good for bringing back trims back to life.
Yeah, we can see here at the show, like the faded plastic trim that's there, the before and after is dramatic. So you see like that blackened effect. And again, very easy to apply. Foam applicator, I guess.
Foam applicator pad, just stroke on, just wipe off. And you can layer it as well if it's not dark enough for you. Another coating, another 20 minutes to dry.
Yep.
Super versatile.
And last but not least, we had this in North America, but now in Europe they're getting it. So the ceramic and graphene inside job. So what's this one?
An interior cleaner with graphene and ceramic infused. So it'll give that protection as well as great cleaning capabilities. So it's got UV inhibitors as well, so
yes.
It prevents fading. It'll get rid of dirt, dust, grime, but leave a really nice sort of satin matte finish.
So you're not getting none of that greasy, oily-looking stuff that we don't like there?
Won't re-attract dust. Just a great all-round product that sets you up for an easy maintenance week after week.
And once you did the initial cleaning and protecting with this, then in their lineup, Turtle Wax has some easy maintenance products like the Mist Interior Detailer or the Mist Clean, Condition, and Protect your leather. So you can kind of do the initial deep cleaning and protection with this, and then follow up for your weekly regular maintenance with these Flaresols, right? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. Awesome. So this now is going to be new to Europe starting right now.
Starting now,
okay.
Available now.
Awesome, fantastic. Among all the kiosks that are here, there are many booths. We have Maniac Auto, so they're the organizers of the show, but they're product distributors here in France. Also, we have Lake Country Power Tools behind me. You guys know they produce some awesome tools, including their latest polisher that does many functions, right? Dual action, rotary, sander, all that type of stuff. So you guys can talk to the people, you get to meet them in person, people working for the brands, get hands-on experience with their tools or products. Pretty cool. So let's continue and move on to the next one. So new for this year, the Rag Company Europe is here. This is one of the brands that I prefer for microfiber towels. And of course, well, you can see them in person. They have all their towels, including the Gauntlet, one of my favorite drying towels, right? They also distribute PNS products, so the Ready Double Boil collections that are there. So of course, all the awesome stuff. You gotta come and visit the Rag Company. They're always some nice friends to Pan TheOrganizer. And let's continue on. There are brands also from other places in the world, like we have Valet Pro here. So these are more catered towards valetters, but professionals in the industry, but DIYers as well use them very much. We have a French brand that is very known, high quality stuff, Alchemy 7. And well, in a lot of kiosks, what we see is some cool cars like this Porsche racing car. You guys know I have to check it out. By the way, is it okay if I have a look? Oh, okay, I'm not touching, relax. So you know I love the IK sprayers. They're from Spain. Recently on my channel, you saw the review of the new IK eFoam Pro 12, a battery-powered foaming pump sprayer. And of course, they're doing the demonstration here on the vehicle. It keeps constant pressure inside, and you can see this beautiful thick foam being applied. You're never gonna lose power. You never have to do the hand pumping motions. And of course, you can watch the video on my channel, but I think it's cool that they have this vehicle to demonstrate with. Awesome. We're now at the Fortador stand. So there's this machine, it's a steam cleaning machine. It says here, powered by Lamborghini. I don't know what that means exactly, but it's awesome. I asked the rep. Basically, they clean cars at 120 degrees Celsius when it comes out of the pressure washer. And at the end, when it hits the paint, 80 degrees Celsius. So for those who don't have access to free-flowing water, it's a great way to clean cars. And oh my God, one of my favorite cars at the show, this beautiful Nissan GTR. Check it out. Wow. It looks absolutely killer. All right guys, so I'm here at the Diamond ProTech stand. First time that they're here at the detailing show, but of course they have all the new technology. You guys probably saw the review on my channel. Their coatings are nano diamond infused, so it's not a ceramic technology. It's very different. If you're curious, what are we talking about, nano diamonds in a coating, go check out my video. But yeah, you definitely have to stop by their stand. There's things that are very revolutionary, like either 0 curing time on their body coating or on the body 36, only 1 hour of curing. Mind blown. All right guys, so we're now at the Swiss Tracks booth. Modular floor design, these awesome tiles, they're made in Europe, very high quality, different colors, and you can have your workshop or garage floor with whatever imagination and creativity you guys want to have that awesome result. Then we move on to Chemical Guys. So an American brand that is here in Europe, still present, and they have a bunch of different products, and of course, cool cars in the demo, but we gotta keep moving on because there's a lot of things to show you guys coming up, so let's go. So we're now at the ProTech booth, another French company specializing in high quality products, but mainly ceramic coatings and ceramic derived maintenance products as well. So the stand looks beautiful, but you should check them out as well. Fantastic products as usual. Let's continue on. Something new that they have at the 3rd edition of the detailing show is a hands-on demo kiosks. And well, typically you try and do some demos on average cars, but here they have actually some vintage and super special vehicles, like this vintage Porsche. They have this Renault that's here, Di Tommaso, and this Lancia Delta Integrale, kind of a rally car, right? So you get to do hands-on demos on different products. You can do machine polishing. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, look at the cars you have to do this on, right? All right guys, we're here at the GTech booth, of course a brand from the UK, inevitable in the coatings world. They're known for the Crystal Serum Light, so a very good ceramic coating. You know, I've talked about them a lot on the channel because they do some top-notch products, and they have an awesome booth as well. All right guys, we're at the Crytek booth. They're known for their coatings, but when I thought that I've seen the coolest cars, well, surprise, surprise, my now favorite vehicle, this 911 Sport Classic Heritage. Oh my God, this is my new favorite car of the entire show. Just look at it. Wow. Here behind me, we have Lupes, awesome polishing compounds, awesome polishing pads. Of course, they're dual action polishers, so on and so forth. They need no introduction, but they're always trying to get me. And look at this. They have another Porsche here in the background. Why? Also, something new at the show for the first time at the detailing show in Tours, we have Kamikaze Collection, straight from Japan, and we have the owner himself here, Mr. Kai Morita.
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Amazing products, ceramic coatings, very good technology, and it's nice to see you here. First time I meet you in person, eh?
Yeah.
So we say, how do we say konnichiwa?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
I'm not too bad. Awesome.
Konnichiwa.
So
Thank
come
you
and
so
see the Kamikaze Collection products, guys. The smaller brands are here, but also the bigger, more known brands, of course, like Turtle Wax, and behind me, Maguire's with their latest innovations. And there's also Expel on my right with paint protection film, or PPF. So a bunch of awesome stuff. So guys, you have to stop at Formation Detailing. This is basically a training school for you guys to become professional detailers. So if you watch my YouTube videos and you want to bring it up a notch and you want to make it your career, know that they have training facilities. So it's up to a week of dedicated workshops and accreditations, so you guys can learn all the ins and outs of the trade and become a professional detailer. So Formation Detailing, they're near Paris. You got to check it out. It was a hectic 2 days, but so much fun. This is a wrap for the 2023 detailing show in the city of Tours, France. I want to, of course, thank Turtle Wax for inviting me and sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. Not only did they have a great attendance, I think it was the busiest booth by far, once again, the Turtle Wax booth, but all the other vendors, all the efforts that were made by the organizers, and I think it was a blast. If you guys haven't been here yet and you're in the area, we had people coming in from Portugal, Switzerland, Belgium, Germany, and neighboring countries. It was insane. It's like an international event, right? And looking forward to see what they come up with next year. So guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.